Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put images side by side in Google Docs. Watch this video carefully so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, we need to click on Insert at the upper left corner. After that, hover the mouse over Drawing and select New. Okay. After that, we need to copy our images and drag and drop them right there in this field. Okay, good. Now we need to resize our images as you want. Okay, and right there we can add text box, for example, or shapes, objects, and other. Well, that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.